Tired of your Microsoft Teams status always showing as away, even when you're actively working? Let's fix that annoying issue and ensure you're always seen as available, or at least not away, with these simple steps. First, click on your profile picture or initials located in the upper right-hand corner of the Teams window. This opens a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the Teams Settings panel where you can configure various application preferences. In the Settings window, navigate to the Privacy tab. Click on it to access the privacy-related settings. Look for the option that says Set Status to Away when I'm inactive for. Notice the drop-down menu beside this. By default, Teams automatically sets your status to away after a period of inactivity, typically 5, 15, or 30 minutes. Click the drop-down menu and select Never. This is the most direct way to prevent Teams from automatically marking you as away. Now, let's ensure you see all Teams notifications, as this can also impact your perceived availability. Click on the Notifications tab in the Settings panel. Scroll down until you find the Missed Activity Emails section. If it's set to once every hour, you'll only receive email notifications of missed activities once per hour. This means you might miss important messages and appear unresponsive. Change this setting to As It Happens. This ensures you receive immediate email notifications, keeping you informed of any Teams activity. Now go to Appearance and Accessibility tab. Make sure the box beside Open Application in Background is checked. That way, even if you minimize Teams, it will still run and not set you to away unless there is total system inactivity. Also, ensure that the Teams application is actually running in your system tray, also known as the notification area, or the menu bar on macOS. Sometimes, after a computer restart or an app update, Teams may not be running in the background as expected. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have greater control over your Microsoft Teams status, keeping it green and reflecting your actual availability. Enjoy a more connected and responsive Teams experience.